We're gonna add the parsley. Shrimps with roasted plantain, and I wish you so succulent. You can see how. Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we are making shrimps, pepper shrimps. So right now I'm gonna be adding oil. This is olive oil to the pan, and I'm gonna be putting some salt on this shrimps, and I'm gonna mix everything together. I'm making pepper shrimps. Just gonna put everything. This is it. These are all the shrimps. I'm making pepper shrimps. After 1 minute, I will just flip it. So this is, I'm flipping it now. This is a very quick video. You can see how beautiful the shrimps is. I'm gonna flip it. So this is it. You can see how beautiful. Wow. So right now I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. Just a little bit to it. So right now we just have to take them out. Remember, it's called pepper shrimp. So I have to take them out of the fire. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil to the pan again, and going to be adding, this is onions and garlic. Just going to add onions and garlic. Just going to use it to deglaze the pan. So now I have degrazed it with the onion. So right now I'm just going to add the tomatoes and pepper. Already chopped tomatoes and chili pepper. Just going to add everything together. right now I'm just gonna be adding a little bit of seasoning. These are the seasoning, just a little bit of fish, a little bit of seasoning, and thyme. I'm gonna be adding thyme, black thyme. Then I will add a little bit of sauce. Now I'm just gonna be adding a little bit of sauce. This is the sauce. That will be enough for me. So right now I'm gonna be adding just a little bit of water. So right away, I'm just gonna be adding all the shrimps. These are all the shrimps. Wow. These are all the shrimps. This is called pepper shrimps. Very delicious and very healthy. Very simple and delicious. Wow, you can see how beautiful. Yeah, this is nicely cooked pepper shrimps. So this is it. It's cooking very well. We're going to add the parsley. Wow. It's time to serve. It's very well cooked. Now it's time to serve. Wow. And please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. And if you love what I do here, also give it a thumbs up. Thank you all, and all my subscribers. Thank you. And this is how I make my pepper shrimps. So good. So right now, let me serve this wonderful food with roasted plantain. So this is it. This is the shrimps with roasted plantain, and I wish you all can enjoy this with me. And please subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up. Thank you all, and let's continue to eat this delicious meal. So succulent. You can see how juicy, succulent it is. Wow, this is one of the pepper shrimps you will enjoy eating. So good. Just gonna eat it with this plantain, roasted plantain. Thank you all. Bye for now.